And next one, this right part is eye. It looks like, maybe when you zoom up, you can see it looks like eye like this, like not in horizontal direction. When I see in this direction, do you see eye? The human's eye for kanji letter. And they are making they're combined to one letter. Looks combined together. And then another part in below, it's pronounced shin or kokoro. It means heart. So this one, it's the biggest. It was biggest surprise to me too. Like, I knew that it used to have some original design or picture to make this one letter, but it looks like something different, but it's heart. It's a heart. Bad. Maybe man's heart. Yes, but it's very interesting. It's heart. And then they changed its own figure to this letter. This is so interesting, right? Okay, then next part. Then all together, when you get all these two letters, two kanji letters together, now I put all kanjis on one place like this. And when more times, like many eras passed, then the one kanji is simplified, organized, and one kanji letter is made. So it's interesting, even for me. But I know a lot of these things, so I thought up with the ideas to explain these words even for judo techniques. So next time it's gonna be maybe judo techniques, kanjis, how it means. And the next thing, what's the purpose of them in Budo scenes? I mean, what's the purpose to do meditation? Mokusou, you can open eyes actually, literally, but most of judo players are closing eyes, because you also can close eyes. And what's the main purpose to do Mokusou or Meiso? First of all, they do Mokusou or Meiso before and after practice. In Japan, generally just before practice starts and just after practice finished. And of course in seiza position, like this. But if you have some injuries, you don't need to. Like, coaches will say, you have injuries, so you don't have to. It's not that important to make these positions. So some players are doing like this and just sitting. And so, but generally all players are doing seiza position to do Mokusou and Meiso. The reasons to make Mokusou and Meiso was the main question from this question. So I will explain. Many various reasons. You can use for anything, like just for, this is for judo practice, so I mean it's for judo, but even for in your daily life. First, to calm down. For example, when you have judo classes for kids, they are so excited before practices. And when I visited the US American Judo Club, and they were doing Mokusou, but in lying position, like on the back, on the mat. When children came to the dojo came into the dojo, they have to just close eyes and lay down. And waiting for every student. It was in Kokushikai Judo Club in Pennsylvania. And next one, I think it was very good idea. And next one is to focus. Of course, it's very good. It's working, I think, before practice. And to calm down, calm down is also good for after practice, because you are excited, because you had a kind of fights. And in Japan, if you have ever been to Japan, I think you already knows that Japanese players are not nice. Because they feel they are proud of it, because they are fighters. And we are nice in daily life, but when you will have to fight, you must kill them. That's the point. So to be a fighter is proudly things, but in daily life you can't. Calm down is very good for before practice and after the practice. And to organize thoughts. If you have some tactical things, ideas, it's very good. Third one, 1, 2, 3, third one. And fourth, to look back good and bad points in your random times. Of course. Of course. Of course. And fifth one, to make new ideas or methods. Of course, when you had any bad moments, like in fourth one, bad moments and bad problem situations, you can make some ideas to resolve these situations. Of course. And the last one, just to relax. If you're too tired and if you have no powers to think about anything, you can just close eyes, but don't sleep, but just to relax and wait for KAIMOKU. KAIMOKU it means open eyes, or just some judo clubs are doing clapping hand, and it's the sign to open eyes. And so on, because there are many. You can make your own Mokusou and Meiso. Meiso is not a shop to buy some cheap stuffs from China. But that's the story about Mokusou and Meiso. Sorry for these black waves. I hope it was interesting to you and interesting to you. Okay, so I hope I'm gonna explain the same stuffs, kanji letters, for techniques like Seoinage, Seoinage is written like this. I think you know this looking, but you don't know what it means. So you will see it in next movie and in Polish in the... Okay, so I will finish every movie in Polish. Cześć. Do zobaczenia. Bye.